How to hide or remove reposts on Instagram. Instagram now has a repost feature, but you can manage or turn it off depending on your preference. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Scroll down and look for the Reposts tab on your profile page. To remove a specific repost, simply long press on the repost you want to delete. Then tap Delete Repost. Once you confirm, that repost will be removed from your profile. If you want to disable reposts completely, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner of your profile. Scroll down and select Sharing and Reuse. Here you'll see the option for reposts on posts and reels. Turn this option off to stop reposts from appearing on your profile. Keep in mind, this setting only controls how reposts appear on your profile. You can still see and use the repost feature on Instagram, but your profile won't display them anymore. And that's how you can hide